Crypto. The word alone conjures images of Lamborghinis, freedom from the 9-to-5 grind, and waking up a millionaire. But for most people, it's like learning a foreign language backward. Let's sort this mess out, zero to hero, step by step. The first pain point, let's admit it, crypto feels like a big, scary, unregulated casino. You're afraid of losing your savings on some shady coin that turns out to be a scam. Yep, totally valid fear. Keep watching. Step 1. Do not buy random coins because your cousin's friend said it's gonna moon. Start foundational. Bitcoin and Ethereum, these are your Coca-Cola and Pepsi of crypto. Stable, dominant, and setting the stage for the entire industry. So how do you buy? Download a trusted exchange app like Coinbase or Binance. Sign up, verify your identity, yes, it's a pain, and link your bank account. Good news, it takes exactly 15 minutes to do this, tops. Don't overthink it. Step 2. When you buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, don't go all in right away. The secret sauce here is dollar cost averaging. For example, invest $50 each week over time, not $500 all at once. It smooths out volatility. All pros do this. Here's why this matters. Bitcoin might dip 20% in a weekend. You panic. But with dollar cost averaging, lower prices are your best friend. Pro tip: automate your weekly investments so you don't need to stare at charts 24/7. But what about getting rich? Good news, crypto rewards patience. If Bitcoin does what it's historically done and grows by 300% every 4 years, your small investments can transform into tens of thousands. Boring, but wildly effective. Now, wallets. Here's where most beginners freeze. Should you store crypto on an exchange or move it to a private wallet? Answer: if you've got under $1,000 in crypto, keep it simple. Leave it on the exchange. Above that, get a hardware wallet like Ledger. Wallet setup is simple. Plug it into your computer, create a PIN, and write down the recovery phrase it gives you. Store that phrase somewhere safe, like in a fireproof lockbox, because losing it means goodbye forever to your crypto. Next up, avoid shiny objects. If someone says this coin is the next Bitcoin, run. Instead, focus on Ethereum's ecosystem. Decentralized finance and NFTs? Yeah, it's mostly happening on Ethereum. This is where the future is being built. Before you dive into altcoins, here's a pro tip. Spend 2 hours learning. And I mean, really learning. Watch a YouTube video on Ethereum's use cases, read about blockchain technology, or follow people like Naval Ravikant on Twitter. Knowledge compounds faster than coins. Lastly, tax. Here's the annoying truth. Every time you sell or trade crypto, it's a taxable event. Apps like Coinly track this for you, making April a lot less miserable. Consider it the price of playing the crypto game legally. By now, you might be thinking this sounds complicated, because it is. But like anything hard, the rewards are potentially life-changing. Think of crypto as the internet back in 1995. Risky? Sure. But could it rewrite everything? Oh, absolutely.